Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to grade 10 from Noor School and College Mansehra. I am your teacher Muhammad Awais Kashmiri. Dear students, as you know that we have already discussed unit number 1 and unit number 2. So we are moving towards the new unit which is a poem, Dreams, written by Langston Hughes. So dear students, first of all, tell me, what do you think that what are dreams? What are dreams? So I have a definition of dreams for you people. Dreams are not the things which you see in sleep. Dreams are not the things which you see in your sleep, but dreams are the things which does not let you sleep. Means dreams are those goals which are not letting you sleep. So I think dreams is our goals which does not let us sleep. So what would your life be like if you had no dreams for your future? What would your life be like if you had no goals for your future? So I think our life would be useless. Our life is actually useless without goals, without setting goals. So when we set goals, when we set targets, we go to achieve these targets. So dear students, now today we are discussing dreams, that what poet wants to say about these dreams. Poet says it is first stanza, means first 4 lines, and a stanza of 4 lines or 4-line verse is called quatrain. Quatrain. So this is the quatrain, 4 lines stanza. And similarly 3 lines stanza is called tercet, and 2 lines are called couplet, and 1 is a line. So poet says, hold fast to dreams. First thing, hold fast to dreams. Hold fast means hold tight and firm. For if dreams die. So dear students, is a dream a living thing? Because poet is saying, for if dreams die. Do remember, when something is given human qualities, when something is given human qualities, so to die, it is a human quality. So when something is given human qualities, then this is called personification. So poets use personification in order to bring beauty in their writings. So for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird. Broken winged bird, a bird which cannot fly, a bird whose wings are broken, that cannot fly. So poet says, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Dear students, look again. Poet says, hold fast to dreams, means hold your goals tight and firm. For if dreams die, if dreams are going to die, what you would do? Life is a broken winged bird. Life will become like a broken winged bird, like a bird whose wings are broken, that cannot fly. And you know that a bird cannot fly with broken wings. So hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die. Dear students, I have told you a thing here, personification. Life is a broken winged bird. Here, poet is directly comparing your life with a broken winged bird. Broken winged bird. So, the direct comparison with something is called metaphor. Is called metaphor. So, I have introduced two things for you: personification and metaphor. So, for if dreams die, dreams are given human qualities. So when something is given human qualities, then it is called personification. And second thing, life is like, here, life is a broken winged bird. So life is directly compared with the bird whose wings are broken. When something is directly compared with other things due to some qualities, then it is called metaphor. So dear student, do remember I have said that directly comparison. So now we are coming towards its paraphrase. So what is paraphrase? Paraphrase means changing poetry into prose without changing pronouns. Changing poetry into prose. So we are now changing this poetry into prose. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams. Hold tight and firm your dreams. If dreams will die, life will become like a bird whose wings are broken, and due to these broken wings, bird cannot fly. So this was the paraphrase of first quatrain. So do you think, can a bird fly with broken wings? So I don't think. So poet says, keep your dreams firm and tight. If you will not keep your dreams tight and firm, life will become like a bird whose wings are broken, and with broken wings a bird cannot fly. Now we are moving toward second quatrain, second stanza. Hold fast to dreams. Again poet says that hold your dreams firm and tight, for when dreams go, means when you do not see dreams, life is a barren field. Means life becomes a land which does not produce something. Life becomes a land which does not produce something. So, frozen with snow means life becomes like a field which is frozen with snow, and you know that the frozen field does not produce something. So dear students, here there is another metaphor for you people. Life is a barren field, means life is directly compared with barren field. So what is barren field? Land which does not produce something. So do you think, can a field produce something if it is covered with snow? So I don't think that a field covered with snow can produce something. So hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Hold your dreams tight and firm. If dreams will die, if you will not see dreams, life becomes a land which does not produce something, and it will become like a field which is frozen with snow and is unable to produce something. So dear students, what would be its paraphrase? Hold your dreams tight and firm. When you do not see dreams, life becomes like a land which does not produce something, and it becomes like a field which is frozen with snow and is unable to produce something. So dear student, today we have learned poem Dreams. I am going to explain it again for you people. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Means hold tight and firm your dreams, because if you will not see dreams, life becomes like a bird whose wings are broken and is unable to fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Means hold your dreams tight and firm. If you will not see dreams, life becomes like a land which does not produce something and is a field which is turned into ice and is unable to produce something. So dear student, the poet is actually giving importance to our dreams, that if we are not going to see dreams, if we are not seeing dreams, if we are not setting goals for our lives, actually our lives is going to become like a wing whose like a bird whose wings are broken, and like a field which is barren, which is unable to produce something. So what is the main focus of the poet? That we should see dreams, we should set goals in order to make our life fruitful. So what you have learned today, dear students, you have learned that what are dreams? So dreams are not the things which you see in sleep, but dreams are the things which does not let you sleep. If you will set goals, if you will see dreams, your life would be fruitful. So then we have learned about personification and metaphor. So what is a personification? When something is given human qualities. So here poet uses dreams as personification, means he is giving the dreams human quality. So he says dreams die, means dying is sort of human quality, so he is giving it to a non-living thing, to dreams. So it is personified, dreams is personified here. Again poet is using another poetic device which is metaphor. What is metaphor? When something is directly compared with other things due to some qualities. So life is a broken winged bird. So life is directly compared with broken winged bird. It is a metaphor. And what is, where is second metaphor? Life is a barren field. Life is directly compared with barren field. So it is another metaphor in this poem. So now I am going to paraphrase it again, and I am telling you about explanation. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold tight and firm your dreams. If you will not see dreams, life will become like a bird whose wings are broken and is unable to fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Hold your dreams tight and firm. If you will not see dreams, life will become like a land which does not produce something, and like a field which is turned into ice and is unable to produce something. Now I am going for explanation. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is broken winged bird that cannot fly. Here poet is saying that if you hold your dreams tight and firm, if you set goals for your life and does not let your goals die, and means you are setting goals for your life, and if you are not, if because when if your dreams will die, what will happen? life will become like a bird whose wings are broken, who is unable to fly. So a bird is unable to fly without his proper wings. So if you are not setting dreams in your life will become like a bird whose wings are broken and which is unable to fly. Means without dreams your life is like a bird who is unable to fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Again poet is stressing on the same point that keep your dreams tight and firm. If you will not set goals, if you will not see dreams, what will happen? Your life will become like a land which is unable to produce something. A land which is unable to produce something is called barren land, is called barren field. So if you are not going to set dreams in your life, you are not going to set goals in your life, your life will become like a barren field. Your life will become like a land which is unable to produce something, and which is just like a field which is frozen with snow, which is turned into ice. And you know that a field which is frozen with snow is unable to produce something. So I hope you people are clear with its paraphrase, its explanation, and two literary terms, personification and metaphor. So dear students, what's your homework today? Write paraphrase of both the stanzas. Write paraphrase of both the stanzas and send it to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.